Rump of Lamb. London weddings are known for their refined culinary elegance, and today we're preparing one of their finest dishes, the exquisite Rump of Lamb.
Now, season the lamb generously with 1 teaspoon of flaky sea salt and half a teaspoon of freshly evenly on every side to enhance its natural flavor and create a beautifully seasoned crust.
With the lamb perfectly seasoned, set it aside for a moment. Place a heavy cast iron skillet over high heat and allow it to become smoking hot. A properly heated pan is the...
Now carefully place the lamb into the hot skillet, fat side down. Let it sear for 3 to 4 minutes without moving it, allowing the fat to render slowly until it becomes beautifully golden, crisp and full of rich flavor. The fat is now perfectly crisp and golden. Using kitchen tongs, carefully turn the lamb onto each side and sear every edge for about 2 minutes. This creates a rich, flavorful...
For world-famous recipes, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.
With the lamb perfectly seared, add 3 crushed garlic cloves and 3 fresh sprigs of rosemary to the pan. As they sizzle in the hot oil,
now add 50 grams of unsalted butter to the skillet. As it melts into a rich golden foam, it combines with the garlic and rosemary to create a beautifully aromatic butter that will enhance every bite of the lamb. Carefully tilt the skillet and continuously spoon the hot garlic and rosemary butter over the lamb for about 2 minutes. This gentle basting keeps the meat incredibly juicy while building deep, rich flavor.
Carefully transfer the hot skillet into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Roast the same boneless lamb for 8 to 10 minutes.
Carefully remove the hot skillet from the oven. Transfer the same whole boneless lamb onto a warm wooden board and let it rest for 5 minutes.
Pour 100 milliliters of homemade lamb bone stock into a small saucepan and gently heat it over medium heat.
allow the lamb bone stock to simmer gently until it reduces into a smooth, glossy jus. This naturally rich sauce perfectly complements the roasted lamb, adding deep flavor. Slice the rested lamb against the grain into thick, even pieces, revealing a tender, juicy, perfectly pink center. Spread a smooth layer of creamy mashed potatoes onto the plate. Then carefully arrange the same sliced boneless lamb on top for an elegant restaurant-style presentation.
Finish by drizzling the warm lamb bone jus over the sliced boneless lamb. Then garnish with a fresh rosemary sprig. Your elegant London wedding-style rump of lamb is now ready to serve.
Chicken Tikka Masala. British wedding feast. Did you know that chicken tikka masala is widely considered Britain's favourite national dish? Today, we're bringing this iconic restaurant classic straight to your kitchen. Pour 150 grams of thick, plain Greek yogurt over the chicken. This creates a rich and creamy base for a delicious marinade. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, then squeeze in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. These fresh ingredients add incredible flavor and help make the chicken tender and juicy.
Now add 1 teaspoon powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix everything well until each piece of chicken is evenly coated with the rich, flavorful marinade. Once the chicken is fully coated with the flavorful marinade, cover the bowl and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Then place the marinade onto a hot grill pan and let the sizzling heat create beautiful smoky char marks. Like, subscribe, comment and share. For more world-famous recipes and delicious cooking inspiration, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Grill the chicken for about 4 minutes, on each side until it's beautifully charred and cooked through. Then carefully transfer the smoky tikka pieces to a plate and set them aside while we prepare the rich, creamy sauce.
Now it's time to make the rich and flavorful sauce. Heat a heavy-bottomed pot, then melt 30 grams of unsalted butter with 1 tablespoon oil until the butter is fully melted and gently bubbling.
Add 1 large, finely chopped onion to the pot. Stir gently, saute for about 5 minutes until the onions become soft, translucent and lightly golden, creating the perfect base for the rich masala sauce. Once the onions are soft and lightly golden, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Stir well and cook for 1 minute until the spices become fragrant and release their rich aroma.
Now pour in 400 grams of smooth tomato puree. Stir everything together and let the sauce simmer gently, over medium heat for about 10 minutes, until it becomes rich and thick.
The tomato masala is now rich and ready. Gently add the grilled chicken tikka pieces to the pot. Let the chicken simmer for a few minutes to absorb all the delicious flavors.
Now crush 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi between your palms and sprinkle it over the curry. Stir gently, keeping the chicken fully coat in the rich, creamy sauce. Then let it simmer for 2 more minutes to bring all the flavors together.
The chicken tikka masala is now perfectly cooked. Carefully ladle the hot, creamy curry into a serving bowl, making sure every piece of chicken is coated in the rich, flavorful sauce. Now it's ready for the final garnish. Finish the chicken tikka masala with a drizzle of fresh cream and chopped coriander. Roasted rump of lamb for an elegant and flavorful combination. Platter of London-style chicken biryani. Together with the creamy chicken tikka masala, these signature dishes create a luxurious spread often enjoyed at traditional London wedding celebrations. London Wedding Chicken Biryani. The grand finale. We have already prepared the iconic chicken tikka masala and the elegant rump of lamb. We are going to make the grand third dish of a premium London wedding, the luxurious London Chicken Biryani.
Now, let's begin preparing the luxurious London Chicken Biryani. Take 600 grams of fresh boneless chicken thighs and gently mixing. This will be the flavorful foundation of our royal wedding biryani.
Begin the marinade by pouring 120 grams of thick plain yogurt over the chicken, creating a rich and creamy base.
Now add 1 tablespoon of freshly prepared ginger garlic paste over the yogurt-coated chicken. This fragrant blend enhances the marinade with rich depth and authentic flavor. Now season the chicken by adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of salt. These aromatic spices create the signature luxurious London chicken biryani.
Now squeeze 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice over the seasoned chicken. The fresh citrus balances the spices and brings a bright, refreshing flavor to the marinade.
Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel for more famous recipes from around the world. See you in the next video.
Add 50 grams of crispy golden fried onions, followed by a generous handful of freshness and authentic biryani flavor to the marinade.
Mix everything gently until every piece of chicken is evenly coated with the rich marinade. Then set the bowl aside to marinate while we prepare the fragrant rice.
While the chicken marinates, place a large pot on the stove and pour in 2 liters of water. Add 2 bay leaves, then bring the water to a gentle boil for the fragrant basmati rice.
Now take 400 grams of pre-soaked premium basmati rice and gently add it to the boiling spiced water. Cook the rice until it's about 70% done. While the rice cooks, place a heavy-bottomed casserole pan on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of pure melted ghee. Allow the ghee to heat gently until it begins to shimmer, ready for the marinated chicken. Carefully place the marinated chicken into the hot ghee. Let it cook for about 8 minutes, allowing the chicken to become tender, while the rich spices develop deep flavor and the oil begins to separate from the marinade. Once the chicken is perfectly cooked, reduce the heat to low. Carefully layer the partially cooked basmati rice over the chicken, spreading it evenly to create the first beautiful layer of our luxurious biryani. Once the chicken is perfectly cooked, reduce the heat to low, spreading it evenly to create the first beautiful layer of our luxurious biryani.
Drizzle 3 tablespoons of warm saffron-infused milk evenly over the rice. Then garnish with crispy fried onions and the perfect finishing touch before the dum cooking begins.
Cover the pan with a tight-fitting lid and seal it with a clean kitchen cloth. Let the biryani cook on ultra-low heat, allowing the gentle steam to blend every layer into rich, aromatic perfection.
Fragrant steam escape, then gently fluff the biryani from the sides while keeping the beautiful layers intact. Carefully scoop the biryani from the bottom, keeping the beautiful layers together. Transfer it onto a luxurious serving platter, creating a stunning presentation worthy of a grand London wedding feast. Now bring the luxurious London Chicken Biryani into the magnificent British wedding hall and place it beside the Chicken Tikka Masala and the elegant boneless rump of lamb. Beautifully presented and ready to impress every guest, a true celebration of elegance and unforgettable flavor.